Everyone uses ChatGPT. Almost nobody uses these three things. I checked my own history, and around 90% of my chats were plain questions. These three features are where the real value hides. Feature 1. Project and memory. Make a project for each big thing in your life. Then every chat inside it shares the same files and context. Stop re-explaining your situation from scratch. That habit alone saves me hours. Feature 2. File and photo analysis. Drag in a contract, a bank statement, or a photo of your broken dishwasher and just ask about it. Most people still type everything out by hand. You do not have to. Here is the move. I attached my actual lease and asked what to worry about. In my tests, it flagged the renewal increase and the notice period in seconds. Try it on any dense document. Feature 3. Voice mode. Tap the headphone icon and just talk while you commute or cook. I plan videos out loud on the drive home, and honestly, it beats a podcast some days. That was the 60-second version. If you want the whole map, subscribe because the full 10-minute ChatGPT course is next on this channel, and it walks through every feature step by step.